Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you like the most super quick and easy 10, like maybe 15-minute hairstyle, depending on how much hair you have. This style literally only took me like maybe 12 minutes max. And I got this super pretty bouncy blowout with my curling iron. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be using is a heat protectant. Honestly, you can just pick this up at like Walmart, Target, whatever. It's Eva NYC, I think is how you pronounce it. I have no idea, but it's a 10-in-1 primer. I use this actually after I take a shower. It detangles my hair and it like has lots of nice oils in it, so my hair feels super smooth and silky. That is actually a huge question I get asked all the time, is like, how do I keep my hair so shiny? And this stuff is seriously amazing. Putting oils in your hair does a lot. I use it on wet hair. I'm about to use it again on dry hair just before I curl my hair, and just add a little extra shine. Am I supposed to? I don't know, probably not, but it's okay. You can never have too much protectant and shine in your hair. I do this so many different ways. Sometimes I section my hair, sometimes I don't. It also helps, I do have a lot of layers in my hair. I do ask for layers, just all over layers, honestly. And I feel like it helps add some bounce to my hair. I am just gonna actually start from the top. I don't think I'm gonna section it. I'm just gonna take little chunks like this and go straight down like this and curl up. I'll fix that piece, don't worry. And just kind of loosely bring it down. And like you can already tell, there's some bounce to it. I would just section your layers. I'm serious guys, this might be a super short video because this takes like 0 time. And like I said, you can section your hair. I do have a lot of hair, but the layers truthfully make this so easy because you can tell which pieces you need to go over. And I curl it this way, just straight down, like horizontal. And just let it fall whichever way it chooses. If you're wanting to actually curl your hair, a lot of times if you do it vertically, it makes really bouncy, wavy curls. But for this look, I'm going for that bouncy blowout. And it may not be as perfect as a Shark or Dyson blowout or fresh from the salon, but when you don't have to spend $1, then that's good. If you have a curling iron, you can also do this with a straightener, which I can do a tutorial on that as well. It's really not that hard. I may have actually, did I do this in my hair day vlog? I think I did. I think I showed y'all how I did this in my hair day vlog, but I can't remember which way I curled my hair. Oh no. We've come a long way though. The last one, and my camera says that we've been doing, or I've been filming for like 6 minutes-ish. So, if that tells you anything, it took me 6 minutes to finish literally one side of my hair. Look at that. And as you can tell, it's not like I don't have a lot of hair either. It just takes 0 time to do this. 6 minutes on one side. So let's do the other side real quick, and that just goes to show like this is an under 20-minute hairstyle. Okay, so for my bangs, I'm going to take them and just like flip them backwards this way, as if they were a roller. Just kind of let them fall. I need to put a little bit of my dry shampoo powder in my hair because I'm sweating a little. My hair's a little bit oily. Got it tangled. Okay. Gave it a little bit of bounce in the front. Now, my favorite stuff ever is this professional styling powder. It has completely taken place for my dry shampoo because I saw so many things about dry shampoo being in a spray can and causing cancer. And anyways, I am just doing everything I can to stay away from cancer. I know it's gonna get us all eventually, and it's, you know, not always preventable, but now that I'm a mom and have a kid around, I just don't want to be spraying those types of fumes in the air. So anyways, that is our final look. Let me get in some better lighting so I can show you guys my hair. Here is the final look. It's so bouncy and voluminous. I don't usually put hairspray in my hair because I don't mind the way it looks when it kind of falls. This is my quick and easy, just go to night out bouncy hairstyle. It literally took me less than 15 minutes because I'm filming the end of this video. My camera doesn't even say 15 minutes yet. It says 14 minutes and 30 seconds currently. So that is a big win right here. This is seriously, like, no lie, 10-minute hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hair tutorials, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video.